Hi everybody, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we have Inku by Japan Crate September 2020 box. You will see some noises, not only my cat being so loving and cute, but also my child complaining about things, just your stuff. So we're going to open up the booklet and see what's inside. First of all, it once again thanks everyone for hanging in there, but it also shows what pictures and stuff. So if you have a subscription to this, or you decide take a picture, you might be in the booklet the next month. So what we're first going to do is look at some of the stuff that we have. First of all, we have a variety of stuff, great for everything. So let's go look inside. What do we have here? We have, let's grab this first thing. This looks to be our PVP cover, which has a cool little thing like this. A5, which is cool. I believe this is our DIY planner set, which is really cool. I may keep this because this seems really cool and confident. Then we have, well, actually, no, wait. Yeah. Then we have our actual day planner, which is really cool. It's the same size, so that'll connect, I believe, with this one. And I believe, I'm not exactly sure, it comes all together. Then we have our joint stamp. So if you are a person who likes to verify that you see stuff, this stamp will work good. I guess I could use this for work as our little stamper, but I think especially if there's something bad happens on my stop, I don't think this will be appropriate. So we're gonna put this in the box for somebody else to enjoy. Then we have our little stickers and stuff, and showing our little travel plan. I'm not a big person for stickers like this, so I'm going to put this away. Put that away. Then we have another thing for our journal. So that's interesting. And my cat, I know. It's amazing. Then we have our weekly refill. So this is actually the planner into itself, where it has all the dates. It has this part where it has it in Japanese. That is not actually on there, but in case you can read that, tell me what it is, because that's kind of interesting. Or anytime you see this stuff and you can actually see it, tell me what it means, because I don't know, and that would be lovely to know these things. So altogether we have our joint stamp, our mini memo. Where's our mini memo? Oh, wait, we have a mini memo. So here is our mini memo. I actually took last one's mini little memo. So I'm going to put this in the box for someone else to enjoy. It's a little mini memo. Chohyusho. That sounds Korean, actually. But it's made in Japan. Then we have our floral tape. Where's our floral tape? Huh? Is it under you? Maybe it's under you. Oh, okay. Here's our floral tape. Masking tape. Use masking tape sometimes isn't very good. I'm going to try this again. So I'm going to take this and take it to work and see if this works. Because sometimes tape is needed to put up signs and stuff. So this hopefully will work. Last one did not work. Decorative tape sometimes doesn't work very well. The travel stickers, obviously that's going to go into the box. And the DIY planner, I don't know for sure. And it also shows on our online store, you can use the code and get $3 off $15. Shugoi Mart. And so, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of Inku by Japan Crate September 2020. It's going to be posted in September. So, you will probably see it quicker if you go on Instagram because I post everything automatic and it doesn't have a delayed posting, um, which a lot of other places do, which is okay. Um, if you like this, subscribe, like, and comment. Obviously, we're doing our contest once again on August for Instagram and YouTube. So please like and follow, comment, so I can send thing and say, hey, you won. I've already sent it to other people. They have not sent me the address to send the contest stuff. It's really important that people actually send me the address so I can actually send it to them. Because I don't know your address, so I can't send it to you. That's I understand in the internet it's a little scary. Put it at a PO box or put it at a friend's house, or an abandoned lot. I don't know, or just have it your username and your address. I'm sure getting it to your address will make it easier. I don't need. I'm not a stalker. I swear. I just have a box full of unique stuff that I think everyone would enjoy to have, and I hope that everyone enjoys that. So please come out and subscribe and enjoy everything. And if you really, 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 really want to support the channel, look at my Patreon that I'm still trying to get together. And I apologize if it looks very empty, but I'm working on it. But there will be more content. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.